that go in factory automation to supply chain network optimization, bringing visibility and intelligence through AI and cloud combined with data from sensors, video cameras, legacy systems, ERPs, and manufacturing machines. During these extraordinary times of supply chain disruption, customers demand innovation more than ever before by solving previously unsolved complex problems. Working alongside with us and our partner Google, our supply chain twin solution fits into our customers' existing supply chain process, supply chain planning, and demand forecasting capabilities are now aiding humans side by side with their existing systems to drive higher KPIs and accuracies. To the extent that some of the large enterprises are asking to bring in technologies and algorithms from driverless cars to run their supply chain. These days, customer sentiments, visual movements, purchasing patterns are some of the key data insights that are driving innovation levels and improving forecast and supply planning. As COVID takes different shapes, psychographics are shaping demand and supply. Data insights are pushing improvements to KPIs, beating human decision-making capabilities where possible, so that we can free up the minds and hands of business executives and down the chain, people on the floor, so that they can focus on higher value tasks. This is also a great time to graduate from USC to make a significant impact in the industry. Looking forward to working with many of you as we continue to hire from USC. Thank you.
Rex is sending it to you. So this is a prompt for you.